Did you know that today is National Pretzel Day? Yep, an entire day dedicated to celebrating the pretzel. Now, whether you like them soft like the ones sold in malls and on the streets of Philadelphia, or hard ones like we find in our snack aisle, today is the day to celebrate these twisted delights. With so many varieties to choose from, it's no wonder that Americans eat more than $500 million of these annually. Now, besides eating them as is, I like featuring them in desserts, like the one we're doing today. Here, we turned them into a pretzel crust by crushing them, mixing them with a little butter, patting them into a baking dish, and baking it off. Once it cools slightly, we top it with a sweetened cream cheese filling that's light as a cloud, thanks to the whipped cream that we folded into it. On top of that goes a fresh-tasting chunky pineapple gelatin. Then we pop it into the fridge. Once it firms up, we finish it with more whipped cream and it's ready to serve. With each bite, you get the saltiness from the pretzels, the creaminess from the filling, and the fruitiness from the pineapple. To get the recipe for our pineapple pretzel squares, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pretzelicious way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."